Is a small math for 11 plus, which is 70% of schools are girls. There are 830 peoples altogether. How many are boys? Many ways we can do. I'm just showing one of the way, which is first one is if we write it down, girls are 70%, so the boys will be 100% minus 70%, which is 30%. So if we find it out, like 30% of the 830, that would be your answer. So the boys will be 30% of 830, which is 30 over 100 multiply 830. So you have 0 0 0 0. The answer with 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 8 is 240. So this will be answer 249. I'll try another way, which is 70% of the classes. So girls are 70%. So what is the 70% of 830, which is 70 over 100 multiply 830. Cross, 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 cross. So altogether it came up 3 times 7 is 21, so 2 in your head. Then 7 and 8 is 56, and plus 2 is 58. So 581. So the boys would be 830 minus 581, which is 249. So the both way can be solved this question. Thank you.